everyone. In this video we are going to talk about trading journal that is essential for every trader. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe and support me. Becoming a profitable trader means breaking down what goes right or wrong with every trade, which will help improve decision making and prevent common trading mistakes. In this video, I will break down exactly what a trading journal is, how to create one, and list some of the best trading journals available. But we see, what is a trading journal? A trading journal is a way to track your trading performance by recording your trades, which you can later review to improve your trading activity by learning from both your successful and not so successful trades. Tracking your progress allows you to study mistakes that you have made when opening or closing a position. It also helps you to stick to your trading plan and enhance your ability to make better execution in the future. It can be much more than just a log of all the trades you executed. It can be whatever you make of it. Traders can write down their thoughts, emotions, and observations during their post-trading analysis. The key benefits of using a trading journal are finding the right trading style. If you are day trading, but your journal clearly shows that you are often stressed out and fail to manage the risk correctly, perhaps you are more of a swing trader. Trading medium or long term is not easier than short-term trading, but some traders are more comfortable with it, as they can spend much more time analyzing the data and don't have to make quick decisions. Trailing different trading strategy can help you find the right trading style. Identifying your strengths or weaknesses. If you are consistent with your journal, certain patterns should emerge over time. You should be able to identify your key strengths and weaknesses, which will help in finding the right trading style and strategy. Discipline. After some time, keeping a trading journal will not appear so tedious anymore, but a normal part of your trading day. It will help a trader to be more consistent and teach discipline. Source of information. There is no trader who knows everything and can afford to stop learning. The markets are evolving all the time. Strategies stop working and age disappear. Therefore, traders need to educate themselves continuously. One way of doing it is by making observations about the market and taking note of notes. Perhaps one of those observations will turn into an edge one day. Improved risk management. Risk management at its core is assessing the level of risk you are okay with taking based on all the variables of the trade. By logging each trade in the journal, you might start to notice areas where you have the wrong mindset, and by adjusting risk level, have a better chance of finding success and prolonging your capital. Master emotions. Tracking trades is a smart way to analyze behavior patterns and can shed some insight into your own personal trading psychology. It's impossible to remove your emotions entirely from your trading process. However, being able to record your thoughts and emotions at critical times like entry and exit points can help with making bad decisions. Numbers don't lie. If you keep trading statistics as part of your trading journal, even better. Along with your own observation, the stats will give you important insight. Starting a trade journal is fairly easy, but being consistent is so difficult part. Furthermore, a trading journal is very personal. This is no correct way of doing it, as every trader must know what is most important and how they want to structure it. Here we have the best trading journal software available for all traders. Microsoft Excel, Equation, TradeMetria, TradeViz, Trader Sync, Trader VU, and Edgewonk. These are my reference that use in this video. I'm going to create a sample in Excel. Working with this software is so easy. Here we go. Okay, first we open Excel software and write number, time and hour, trade. 2. Position type and entry point. 3. Trend of structure time frame. 4. Setup type. 5. Trade volume. 6. Risk 2. Reward rate. 7. Setup loss. 4. Stop loss, SL. 8. Take profit. 4. TP1 and 2. Your emotion before entry a trade. Your emotion before try trade. 10. Your emotion during during trade, and 11. Your emotion after trade. Okay. 12. We have result. 13. If you changed stop loss, write your reason. If you change take profit, write your reason. If you change take profit, write your reason. Okay, 15 we have pip taken, and 16 percentage of gross or lose. Okay, you should complete this column for each trade, and if you have any question, please ask me in the comment. Thanks again for watching my video. Please subscribe and support me. Have a good day.